Hi guys! I'm Sheena.
I'm Stacy,
And we are Shinsi!
Hi sa mga 10 Shinsi tutors! Hi Joanna! And today we'll be playing the Guess the Flavor of the Payless Instant Money!
Yes! Pero ang challenge, naka-blindfold kami. And for round 1, ako muna yung naka-blindfold. And si Stako yung magpapahula. Then, vice versa.
Yeah.
Then, let's go!
Come on, bring the Instant Money!
And we are ready.
Wala pa! Bango! Perfect for rainy days.
Beef!
So this is the first flavor. Okay, smell it muna. Smell. You know na?
I know it.
Oh, she
I'm-
knows
I'm
it na. So kasi may sabaw eh. Wait! Diretso sa lalamunan. What's the flavor?
Is it beef? Oh my gosh, I'm wrong.
Is that genuine?
You're...
Okay, I will give you another chance.
It's
What is
chicken.
You're right!
Alright, I'm right! Ang comforting talaga ng lasa ng chicken mami.
Yeah,
Right?
tapos nakakaano talaga siya. Pag yung naamoy mo, talagang matatakam ka na kaagad. And parang alam mo na kaagad na noodles yung niluluto.
10 out of 10 for 10 Shinsi.
Yes! Sana madagdagan ng 2.
For round 2, si Stako naman naka-blindfold. But due to cluster lashes difficulties, she's just gonna hold it.
Yeah, sorry.
Okay, are you ready?
Yes. Oh, I know na. Vanilla? It's beef!
Yes!
It's so obvious!
You're right!
I love beef!
I'm gonna finish this. Let's
Me
end
too.
this na.